How to join a group on Roblox. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily join a Roblox group. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So the first thing that you need to do here is open up your web browser and simply search for roblox.com. And once you land on the Roblox homepage, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're here, on the left hand side, you will see the hamburger menu. Just tap on it. It will bring out this navigation bar. So right here, you will find an option for groups. So here you'll find the communities tab. You can just go ahead and tap on this. In some cases, it will show you some groups as well. So from here, you can just go ahead and tap on any of your communities that you want to join, or if you already have the URL link, you can directly paste it on your search bar and it will take you to the group. So for example, if I want to join this Rumble Studios, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. And from here, right here, you have an option to join community. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be officially the part of this community. So if you want to invite members or if you want to invite friends, you can do that as well. Or if you want to join more communities, you can just go ahead and tap on this and more groups will show up right here. You can also search for the name and then simply join like that. It's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.